Thank you, lovely apartment. I really would love to come back with my lady. Okay, thank you, and bye-bye. It is a beautiful today, but I'm leaving today. Yesterday I was on the top. If today, much better weather, but nothing to regret. This is the lady I met yesterday from California. She's leaving too. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes,
Come
let's
on,
go. Okay.
please. So they were so-called free people because they cannot occupy this area because they were not having cities, you know.
Okay.
Citadels to be conquered. Only small villages.
Okay. Now I'm in my friend's car, and it's goodbye to the old town of Brasov. Goodbye. So my friend clean up the window to make sure I get the best picture for you guys to watch.
Partidul Socialist European, din care face parte PSD, a înghețat.
Shapovalov, reprezentantul Canadei.
La noapte, cerul va fi variabil în sud-vestul și sud-estul extrem al țării. În celelalte regiuni se vor semnala diverse descărcări electrice, intensificări ale vântului și posibil grindină.
They have a lot of work because they must take the with hazel feet.
This is nice.
Yes.
It's heavy.
It's fresh.
Yes.
It's fresh. That's why it's heavy. You can see.
Yes. Okay.
Come here to see the growing lines, and tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will show you the rest. Okay.
Okay.
Here is our student Ahmad from Oman.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Yes. Yes. Good. Yes.
You know him now.
Yes, I know.
You know who he is?
Mr. Daniel.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. I see his video at YouTube.
Yes. Thanks.
You are following his videos? Yes.
So what do you like the most? Repair or make repair?
Repair.
Yes. Yes. Repair is difficult.
Yes.
Repair is interesting.
Cellos and we are working on it. I prefer to prepare first the boxes, after that to fit in the neck, after that to varnish them, because I didn't have any instrument at the beginning, and everybody is asking me, you have that model, that range, that size, and this is my favorite, and this is my soul product. This is the first one.
Yeah.
It's a bass viol.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Nicolas Bertrand model, and it came today back, and they start to send it now. Yes. Our and also tail pieces for because it's a 7-string.
Yes.
You know, early music. I need, because I was putting ground and I sand it, I need to finish it. I would like to give the same color as it will be the bass viol. So old wood, Fraser Dan, 30 years old, the wood. And I already received the request.
This is not a full size scope.
I don't know. The surgery is busy and I don't know when it's to go.
Still child.
On the right?
Very. Wow, this is a beautiful hotel, oh my god.
Mă să-i spuneți, vă rog, să nu lasă cumva chiar înăuntru și să...
Okay. This is the hotel I'm staying. Oh, I have a good bed. I will have a good sleep. But has a very fresh air. I will spend 2 happy days here. Good. Oh,
she's
my
not
God.
dieting.
Okay,
Actually,
understand. Okay.
It's a rule. I will change the position.
Oh, I want the rice. I want to eat the rice.